Hi, I'm Charles Moore, world-class musician, author, and poet. We're here at C&J Farm with Jenn and the Garden Girls. We're going to be harvesting some stinging nettle for your health and looking at some other herbs. Hit it, Jenn.
Thanks, Charles. Thank you so much. He's up visiting us from Norfolk. He's one of our amazing artists that we love to have out here. He's a wonderful musician, and we love to go. We've actually gone to his home right on the water and drummed and had a great time. So, but it's yeehaw, it's YouTube Tuesday. We are here and we're harvesting nettle, and we've got some great friends. We've actually had a wonderful fall day. It's actually Saturday, and the weather is gorgeous, and we're just going to present this on Tuesday, but because it's daylight and the lighting's good. So anyway, I'm going to show you what all we're doing. So hold on.
All right, Jenn, talk about it. Tell us what we're doing.
Okay, well, we've got the nettle patch. Our nettle patch is actually all right here. You got to be sure you harvest with gloves because it will sting you. And after you dry your nettle or process it, you can actually cook it like spinach too. And after you cook it or dry it, it loses its sting. So you don't have to worry about it so much. Nettle is an amazing herb. It's full of minerals and vitamins, and it's a natural antihistamine. It helps with your blood pressure. It's a wonderful herb. It helps with urinary tract. I have heard though, if you let the leaves get too old, the older leaves can be full of that oxalic acid, which can be a little hard on your kidneys. So you want to be sure and use it for kidney medicine with young leaves. As we look around though, and this bed is very weedy. C&J Farm is not a botanical garden, we're a working farm. And so we're always in the midst of working, and this bed needs to be weeded bad. But we've got burdock growing here, burdock root. We've got sheep sorrel, which you can identify sheep sorrel growing in your own yard. It's the weed with the little ears. It's amazing in salads. And so you can identify that. There's lots of stuff growing here you can eat. We have yarrow, which is good for stopping bleeding. I know Jack hurt the yarrow's right here, and it's a perennial, it'll come back. Jack hurt his nose earlier in the summer, and I kept putting powdered yarrow on his nose to stop the bleeding. And then we've got dandelion, which is finally making a return for the fall. You know, you only see dandelion in the spring and the fall when things are a little cooler. And right here is a whole bunch of goldenrod that is major medicine for men. And we're going to be actually reducing the size of our patch in like September is when we harvest the goldenrod. And at that time it's all yellow and gorgeous, and we make our medicine from that. So this is our big herb bed here in the back. We have the dogs watching us, and welcome to fall. Thank you for joining us. Be well. See you next week.